Is electric shock drowning a danger near swimming pools, spas, and hot tubs? In a previous Underwriters Corner, we discussed electric shock drowning, or ESD, which can occur when electric current from a boat or dock leaks into the water and incapacitates or electrocutes a nearby swimmer. Other water activities can also be hazardous due to improper electric wiring around pools, spas, and hot tubs. According to the CPSC, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, deaths occur almost every year from electrocutions in swimming pools, spas, and hot tubs. Symptoms of electrocution in water may be a tingling sensation, as well as muscle cramps and an inability to move. Panicking or motionless swimmers can be signs of active electrocution. Underwater lights that are flickering unusually or not operating correctly could indicate possible electric danger, according to the CPSC. If electric shock risk is suspected, swimmers should get out of the water quickly, if possible without using a metal ladder. If outside of the water, immediately turn off the electricity, call 911, and assist injured swimmers when it's safe to do so. Thanks for watching Underwriters Corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content for insurance professionals from MSO.